Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Jasper
and Anastasia,
bringing you the WDMS news
and the morning announcements.
Today is Tuesday, August 27th, 2013.
It's a B-Day.
And please stand for the pledge. B-Day. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Code of Conduct. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated.
Please be seated. Now let's find out what happened in history.
Here's a look at this day in history. August 27th.
In 1859, Edwin Drake struck black gold in Titusville, Pennsylvania. His was the first successful oil well drilled in America. Today in 1962, the U.S. launched the Mariner 2 space probe to fly past Venus. In 1976, in an early breakthrough in biotechnology, researchers at MIT announced they had implanted a synthetic gene into a living cell. And on this day in 1883, a series of cataclysmic volcanic explosions tore apart the Indonesian island of Krakatoa. The blast, some of the largest volcanic events ever recorded, created giant tsunamis that swept the region. So much volcanic material was spewed into the air that it blocked some sunlight and lowered temperatures on Earth for years afterward. And that's this day in history.
Today's math problem is, which one doesn't belong? 3/4, 5, 3 5/10, and pi.
They need like a long time to do this. They need a good minute. 15 seconds.
And now here's the word of the day.
The word of the day is persistent. Robbie was having difficulty memorizing Spanish vocabulary in Miss Swift's class. He really wanted to get a good grade on the test, so he created flashcards and studied every night. And he also had his mother quiz him and wrote down the words over and over again. Because of his hard work and persistent study, he earned an A on his quiz. The word of the day is persistent. Now for some words of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Anastasia bringing you with a few words of wisdom. Have you ever thought about what had to happen in order for you to come to school today? In addition to all the things your parents did to get you here, it took thousands of hardworking people paying taxes so you can have books and chalkboards and desks. It took hundreds of administrators handling thousands of details. It took custodians and cooks and security people to provide you with a clean, safe, and nurturing environment. And it took dozens of teachers who care enough about you to work hard for half the money they could make doing something else. So listen up. Giving an education is a gift that many children on the planet will never receive. There's an old maxim that goes like this: it is only the ignorant that despise education. Don't be an ignoramus. Get smart about getting an education. With something to think about, this is Anastasia. Make it a great day, or not, the choice is yours.
And now here's Mr. Barish.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. I just want to take a moment and thank all of our students and all of our teachers yesterday for making such a wonderful opening day. It was great to visit all of the classrooms in the building and see the focus on teaching and learning in a positive and safe environment. Again, I'm proud of all of our students. You came to school focused and ready to learn. We're going to continue with that high expectation, and we're going to have a successful school year. So again, once again, I'm very proud of all the students at DMS for doing a great job. I want to remind students about the importance of demonstrating not good, not great, but outstanding attendance. That means you come to school every day to get your education. Again, attendance does matter, and when you come to school, the expectation is you come to school with a positive attitude and you are able and willing to apply yourself. And by doing that, Team DMS will do whatever it takes to ensure that you are successful in school, in life, and that you become a globally competitive graduate. A couple reminders that I just want to make sure all of our students are aware of, just to review. That is that during the school day, all book bags and knapsacks are to be locked in your lockers. That is correct. They need to be locked in your lockers. Also, all hats need to be off in lockers during the school day, and all electronic devices must be turned off during the school day. The only time you are able to use an electronic device is if you're using it for an instructional purpose in the classroom only. Again, we had a great first day, and I'm looking forward to having an unbelievable, awesome 2013-2014 school year. So again, thank you, students at DMS, for coming to school ready and willing to learn.
This is Anastasia,
And Jasper,
reminding you to stay classy, Dundalk Middle School.